Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to track your Amazon package in real time so you can see exactly when the driver is arriving. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. To get that live map view where you can actually see the truck moving, you'll want to use the Amazon mobile app. Go ahead and open up the Amazon app on your phone and make sure you are signed in. Tap on the person icon at the bottom of the screen to go to your Profile tab. From there, tap the button near the top that says Your Orders. Find the package that is out for delivery today and tap on it. Now, here is the trick. Amazon only shows the map when the driver is close. Look for the big button that says Track Package. If the driver is still far away, you will just see a timeline. However, if the driver is fewer than 10 stops away, a live map will appear on the screen. You can watch the little truck icon move and see a countdown of how many stops are left. This is super helpful if you need to be home for a signature or want to grab it off the porch immediately. And that's it. You now know exactly how to catch your delivery driver the moment they arrive. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.